In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track email opens and clicks. If you're using the new Freshsales, also known as Freshworks CRM, this is a simple way to see whether someone opened your email and whether they clicked the links inside it. That kind of insight can be really helpful when you want to measure engagement and follow up at the right time. First, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the option to send an email and open the Email Composer. This is where you'll prepare the message you want to track. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the appropriate field. After that, you can decide whether you want to write your email from scratch or use a template. In this example, choose the Use Template option. Templates are helpful because they save time and keep your messaging consistent, especially if you send similar emails often. Once the template library appears, select a sample email template that fits your purpose. After choosing the template, click OK to load it into the composer. At this point, take a moment to review the email content and make sure everything looks right before sending. Now here's the important part. At the bottom of the email composer, click the option called Track this email before you send it. This feature enables Freshsales to monitor basic engagement on that specific email. Open tracking helps you see when the recipient has viewed the message, while click tracking tells you if they interacted with any links inside it. This can give you a better idea of how interested the recipient is in your email. Once tracking is enabled and your message is ready, click Send. After the email has been sent, go to Conversations to review activity related to your message. From there, open Email Tracking and check the Open section. This area lets you see whether the message was opened and helps you monitor engagement after delivery. You can also review click activity there. Click tracking works by having Freshsales replace the links in your email with tracked versions. When the recipient clicks a link, Freshsales first records that click, and then immediately redirects the person to the original destination. In most cases, click tracking is considered a more reliable sign of engagement than open tracking, because a click shows that the recipient actually interacted with your content. And that's how you track email opens and clicks in Freshsales. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.